In question number 13, it is given a round table cover has 6 equal design. These are the 6 equal design and radius is given 28. Okay, this is also 28. So find the cost of making the design at the rate of 0.35. So first what we will do, we will find the area of one design. Okay, that means this area. So how we can find? By subtracting area of triangle from area of the sector. Okay, now this angle is not given, but it is given that this is complete circle is divided into 6 parts. So r we can take as 28 centimeter and theta we can write, since it is divided into 360 degree angle is divided into 6 equal parts. So 360 by 6 means 60 degree. So each part will have angle 60 degree. Okay, now we know, see, 28, 28 and this one is 60. By isosceles theorem property, what we have, these two angles must be equal. Opposite angle from opposite to equal sides will be equal. Okay, so we will find here a value of x. So 60 plus 2x, by angle sum property of angle we know these three angles will give addition 180. So 2x will be 180 minus 60, that is 120. That means x will be 60 degree. Okay, so now we know, suppose this triangle is ABC. So therefore triangle ABC is what? Is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so therefore area of triangle ABC we can find by using root 3 by 4 side square formula, isn't it? Where side is what? Radius only, 28 will come. So 28 into 28. So 4 sevens we can write. From 7 we can multiply 196 root 3. Now root 3 value is given in the question, that is 1.7. Okay, so 196 from 17 we can multiply. So answer will be 2, 3, okay, 333.2 centimeter square. This is what? Area of triangle. Now what we should find? Area of sector. That is easy, that we can find by using formula. Which formula we can use here? Theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 60 by 360, pi is 22 by 7 we can use, r means 28 into 28. Okay, see 0 will go, 7 4 jam, 6 6 jam. Now this also will go. So what we can find here? Simplified form is what? 11 into 4 into 28 by 3. So 44 into 28 by 3. So from 3 if we cancel this, 3 9s are 27. Okay, then 1 will remain here. So 3 3s are 9. Again 3 3s are 9. So 44 into 9.33 we can multiply. So we will get here 3732. So final answer will be 2, 5, 10, 410.552 centimeter square. Okay, so now therefore area of one design, area of one design means area of sector minus area of triangle ABC. So we can write here 410.52 minus, this is the area of triangle, 333.2. So we can find 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, 10 minus 3 is 7, 10 minus 3 is 7. 77.32 centimeter square is the area of one design. So area of 6 design will be what? This into 6. So from 6 we can multiply. Okay, so 463.92 centimeter square is the area of 6 design. Now cost is given. Cost of 1 centimeter square area is given 0.35. So cost of this much area will be this 0.35 into 463.92. Okay, so we will multiply this. 463.92 we can multiply without decimal first. Okay, then from 3 we can multiply. So final answer will be 0. This will give 2. .162 after 4-digit decimal is there. So 162.3720. Question number 14 is given area of sector of angle P. So angle is given P and radius is given R. So we know formula for area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. So here radius is a capital R and theta is given P. Okay, but this is not the option. From A to D this option is not given. So but one option is given, 2 pi r square divided by 720. See, if you divide and multiply with 2 here, so 2 will come with pi r square and this 360 into 2 is 720. So this option can be the answer, which is option D.